thrust plate that faces the rear. The thickest part you want down at the bottom of the fuse, where the wires for the Cobra motor will come out. That's the thickest part of the plate, so it's going to angle the motor downwards. I'm going to take a blind nut, flat side on the plywood. What you're going to do is you're going to tack that in place with the smallest droplet of CA. Doesn't matter, just as long as it's centered. Wait a moment or two for that to set. Okay. Then you're going to take your fuselage. Now remember which end is down, the thickest part. That's going to face the bottom of the fuselage. And this careful balancing act, you're going to feed this through. Line up all your holes, like so. Once your holes are lined up, see those all go through? Keep it loose enough so you can still move it around. Same thing, line up your holes again. Perfect. Go ahead and, I guess, leave that in there as a means to keep it straight. Then you just tighten it up and that'll clamp it together. Leave it for an hour or two for the Gorilla Glue to set. Definitely make sure that your holes are still lined up for your motor screws. And you want to use these angled screw heads here, not flat, so that when you put them in they can be at a little bit of an angle, because of the front firewall is still flat, square to the fuselage. This will allow the thrust angle to be adjusted but secure the motor. And when you're done, take your bolt off. Your firewall will be glued in place. Use your file and go in and chase all the holes. And then you're done. Then when you put your motor in, just make sure the wires are down. Wires are down. Feed it forward. Line up your holes. It's as simple as that. You put your screws in. And when you're done, this will be at a slight angle. You can see a little bit of the angle in it, using the block as a square. That's that.